Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reduce noise in CapCut PC. So select any audio that you have. I'm just going to select this audio of me talking. I probably should listen to it first. Okay, yeah. Select your audio, and then there is these options here is volume, fade in, fade out, normalization. But you're going to just select noise reduction and it's added, and this is what it sounds like after. You can't super hear it clearly because I guess my mic's already like not that bad. That's why it's already clear. But if you have a lot of background noise or something like that, you can definitely select this option. There's other options you can choose from as well. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can reduce noise in your audio. You can also reduce it in a video as well here. So again, go to audio and select the noise reduction option. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!